Pit stop!
That problem with a number 789 789 Victor at Bravo Air Center parking. We are ready to taxi.
November 789er 5 Victor. After departure, turn left on course. Surface wind 090 degrees, 1 knots, clear takeoff. Check traffic is Airbus 320, descending to 2,000 feet, inbound from the northwest.
Likely for takeoff will be left there, 95 Victor.
Okay, we're ready to go. Takeoff forward set.
Act.
Speed is alive.
Act.
55, rotate. Brakes. Positive climb, gear up. Gear is up, light is on, visually confirmed.
November 9er, 88 Lima Lima, interim backtrack 10.
Now 9. Backtrack 10 now in 88 Lima Lima.
The copy the IFR traffic Airbus 320 from the northwest inbound to Provo within 30 miles, descending 2,000 feet.
Run the fleet. We check flaps up.
November 9, 88 Lima Lima. Copy information traffic. We expedite the running on the market.
500 feet. Power reduction.
Eight nine 5 Victor Airborne 17. Flight plan has been activated. Report 25 miles northwest.
Thank you. Flight plan will be activated and we report 25 miles out, 95 Victor.